Achievements of India in Science and Technology. Science and technology have played a crucial role in India's growth and development, particularly since the country gained independence in 1947. The Indian government has made significant investments in science and technology with the aim of promoting economic growth, improving public health, and addressing the country's social and environmental challenges. India has achieved several milestones in the field of science and technology. Some of the key achievements include: space technology. India has established itself as a major player in the field of space technology, with the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, launching a number of successful satellite missions, including the Mars Orbiter mission, MOM, and the Chandrayaan-2 mission to the Moon. Information technology. India is a major player in the global IT industry, with several Indian companies such as Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, and Wipro providing IT services to clients worldwide. Biotechnology. India has made significant progress in the field of biotechnology, with the establishment of several biotech parks and the development of innovative biotech products and services. The country is also a major producer of vaccines and pharmaceuticals. Renewable energy. India has set ambitious targets for renewable energy, with the aim of achieving 175 gigawatt of installed capacity by 2022. The country is already a major producer of solar panels and has implemented several policies to promote the adoption of renewable energy. Agriculture. India has developed several innovative technologies and practices to improve agricultural productivity, including the development of high-yielding crop varieties, drip irrigation, and precision farming techniques. Healthcare. India has made significant progress in the field of healthcare, with the development of low-cost medical devices, diagnostic tools, and drugs. The country has also made progress in addressing public health challenges, such as reducing maternal and child mortality rates. Overall, science and technology have played a crucial role in India's growth and development. The country has made significant investments in research and development and has achieved several milestones in various fields. However, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed, particularly in the areas of public health, education, and environmental sustainability.